Life is never completely a smooth sail, but with some effort, it promises to be. This road here, right behind me, was in really terrible state just a few months ago. But the effort of young men who have decided to end their peril by communal effort have succeeded in changing the state of the road to what it is now. The access road is quite a long stretch of several kilometers feeding the main road at both ends. It used to be a trap rather than an access, full of footholds and pits.
The situation is better now. Those days, there were frequent accidents involving even vehicles crashing into houses by the roadside. So political divide aside, we organize ourselves on some money with some support from the elite to repair the road.
The road was so badly in the sense that during the rainy season, there are so many accidents on the roads, but by now, that has gone.
The growing road infrastructure network certainly eases movement and socio-economic activities in the state metro. This, however, triggers a commensurate emerging need for more roads and repair of existing ones, adding weight of burden on government. After a decade or two, even existing roads are dwindling and needed repair, which cannot be promptly funded.
Accidentally, if I may say, one to two of our parents fall down more than accidentally they fall down.
Involved in an accident here?
Involved in an accident here. Some of our youth we organized in the sense that we decided to come and help our, let's say, safe.
We are in a group of more than 1,000 youths in this ward that made their several contributions, their own several contributions in this ward through the associations of different youth in this area. Like this road I'm staying here, it is one of the examples of the work that those youths have been done. It is not the government that has done that work. It is the associations of those youths that have done that work in our area.
By a rough estimate, we used about 90 tipper load of gravels to refill pits and footholds. We as well repaired gutters and culverts from one end at Aduwal Uwwa to the other end, which were in bad state for up to 2 years.
The access road is easily accessible now, except in case of a ride against the slopes, which requires one to gather momentum to pass across. Temporary road repairs like this one is not a reliable solution to the present states of our dwindling roads. However, there is something to appreciate here about a set of people who care to mend the ills on our roads and to make public life easier. Government and agencies should provide some support, perhaps in the form of tools rather than the crude ones available to these young men, for a better repair before the big one comes, hopefully from the state government. I am Malemi Harun Dogondaji on the Road Matters.